Warm good morning to all my dear student. Today in the class 3 science we are going to discuss the answer question of 4th chapter, that is animals common insects. Student, we have already studied this chapter. Now it's time for writing the exercise and answer questions. Before doing that, I request you all to do the whatever the work I have given you in your copy as well as in your book. In the time to recall, as you all know, we have already completed. I am showing you the answer once again so that you will complete it once again in your book. Okay children, the time to recall, the page number 37. Just see the answers which I have given you. Now, as per the exercise, let's do the exercise part. Okay children, let's do the exercise, page number 41, one by one. The first question A is tick the correct option. I have given the answers only. Let's do A1. All insects have, tick the first answer A, 6 legs and 2 feelers. Okay children, tick the first answer A, 6 legs and 2 feelers. Question number 2. The question is, the body of an insect is divided into, tick the 2D, head, thorax and abdomen. Tick the D option, head, thorax and abdomen. Whenever you are doing this type of objective question, take out your book and do it simultaneously. साथ साथ में करते जाओ, बुक निकालो और करना शुरू करो साथ साथ में. Turn the page. Question number 3. The main organs of insects are located in its, option C, abdomen. Option C, abdomen. Okay. Now, let's do 4 question. Question number 4. Dengue fever caused by, tick the option B, mosquito. Tick the option B, mosquito. Now question number 5. It is formed in the second stage of life cycle of butterfly. The answer is, second stage में क्या होता है? Caterpillar. Answer is B, caterpillar. Okay children, now let's do match the following. I have written the answers just beside of the column A and column B. Answer बगल में ही लिखते गए हैं. आपको साइड में आंसर्स लिखते जाना है. जो कॉलम ए, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? मलेरिया. मलेरिया इज काउज्ड बाय मॉस्किटो. सो कॉलम बी में जहां मॉस्किटो है ना, डी ऑप्शन में, वहां पे लिखिए 1. ओके, नाउ डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, दैट इज प्यूपा. देन राइट थर्ड स्टेज. मैच इट विथ थर्ड स्टेज. सिल्क. मैच इट विथ silkworm. Match it with silkworm. Honey. Honey bee. Match it with honey bee. Honey का क्या होगा आंसर? Honey bee. Black widow, poisonous spider. Right, poisonous spider. Okay. Now let's do true and false. Write T for the statement that is true and F for the statement that is false. Okay, that is C portion. Okay, let's do. First, most insects live on land. Is it true or false? True. Write true. Okay, now question number 2. The head of an insect has wings and legs. हेड में विंग्स और लेग्स होते हैं? नहीं ना. वहाँ क्या होता है? फीलर्स होता है, आईज होता है ना. बट विंग्स एंड लेग्स कहाँ रहता है? विंग्स एंड लेग्स सेकेंड वाला में थोरेक्स में रहता है. सो दिस इज फॉल्स. सो 2 इज फॉल्स. 3. द एब्डोमेन इज लोकेटेड जस्ट बिहाइंड द थोरेक्स. यस, दिस इज ट्रू. Question number 4. A cockroach can live without food for a week. यस, आराम से रहते हैं कॉकरोच। फॉर 1 मंथ भी आराम से वो लोग रह सकते हैं बिना फूड के। तो दिस इज ट्रू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, अ बटरफ्लाई लेज एग्स ऑन अ लीफ, दैट इज ट्रू। ट्रू है ना? नाउ लेट्स डू answer the questions in short answer. Name any 3 insect that you have seen in your house. ठीक है, तो आपके घर में क्या इंसेक्ट, 3 इंसेक्ट का नाम बताना जो आपके घर में आपको दिखता है। तो आप क्या लिखोगे? द 3 insects that we have seen in our house are ant, mosquito, housefly. एंट किसको बोलते हैं? चींटी को, मॉस्किटो मच्छर को, हाउस फ्लाई मक्खी को। तो ये आपके घर में दिखता है ना, सबके घर में एंट, मॉस्किटो, हाउस फ्लाई दिखता ही है। ठीक है, इट्स ए रेगुलर नॉर्मल चीज। सो राइट द आंसर, राइट इट फास्ट। द 3 insects that we have seen in our house are ant, 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 mosquito, housefly. This is a short answer question, na? So you have to write in a single sentence, one sentence. Now let's do question number 2. How do feelers help an insect? कैसे हेल्प करता है feelers हमें? Feelers help an insects to smell and feel things. What you are going to write? Feelers help an insects to smell and feel things. Okay, very easy. Write it fast. Okay, next do name any 3 useful insects. तो आपको 3 यूजफुल इंसेक्ट का नाम बताना है। तो क्या है वो? द 3 यूजफुल इंसेक्ट्स आर, राइट इट, द 3 यूजफुल इंसेक्ट्स आर सिल्कवॉर्म, हनी बीज एंड बटरफ्लाइज। वेरी इजी, राइट इट। द 3 useful insects are silkworm, honey bees and butterflies. Now let's do question, that is what is thorax? क्या होता है thorax? The thorax is the middle portion of insect which has wings and legs. Okay children, the thorax is the middle portion of an insect which has wings and legs. That is question number 4. Write it fast. Now question number 5. Question number 5. How is abdomen important for an insect? Abdomen क्यों जरूरी होता है इंसेक्ट के लिए? Abdomen is important for insects, as all the vital organs of insect for insect survival such as respiration, digestion are found here. Abdomen is important for insect as all the vital organs for insect survival such as respiration, digestion are आर एज नहीं लिखना है यहाँ पे, आर फाउंड हियर. Are found here. Okay, children, you got the answer question up to D portion. Next class we will be doing the E portion, that is question in detail. Write this question answer in your copy as well as in your book. Take care of yourself. Write these answers. This is your homework. You complete this answer question in your copy as well as in your book. Thank you.